Hey, welcome to Boozehive. In this video, we're going to make a Bay Breeze Mocktail, a simple and tasty non-alcoholic tropical drink. Let's get into it. Add 1 part lime juice, 2 parts pineapple juice, and 2 parts cranberry juice. And that's it, just 3 ingredients. If you want, you can just add ice and serve it up. However, to make it more interesting, why not try turning it into a slushie? Simply add ice and blend for 10 seconds. And there we go, an easy Bay Breeze mocktail and slushie. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you plan to try it out, give the video a like. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next drink.